Well guys, the steering wheel is finally installed and we finally changed the color of the airbag. If you guys are new to the channel and haven't seen previous video, we did go ahead and install a new flat bottom carbon fiber steering wheel on the CLK 500, and in this video we're going to be revealing the new color airbag that we installed on here. I think it looks fantastic. Let me know in the comments below, but let me go ahead and show you guys the steering wheel here real quick. So the overall look and feel of the car is actually drastically different. Just seeing the steering wheel in the cockpit every time I get in and every time I open the door, it's completely different, and I love the way it looks. I think it looks fantastic. If you guys want to see how the blue airbag looked on the steering wheel, definitely check out the last video, and comparing it to this video, I would love to know what you guys think. Just leave it down in the comments below. But last video, when I installed it, right away I was like, okay, it's got to be a black steering wheel, and got this black steering wheel on here and it looks fantastic. For the overall feel, it feels really great. It feels a little bit thicker than the stock steering wheel. But the other thing that I noticed for the flat bottom here, every time I'm making a wide turn, I have to grip the bottom. It's new to me, but you guys will get used to it once you get a flat bottom steering wheel. I don't mind it at all. Overall, yeah, it feels really good. The leather here, I don't know, for some reason it just feels like I just have more grip, just because of the way, you know, everything is designed and laid out on the steering wheel. The carbon fiber when I'm driving feels great as well. It actually feels really good. Really great material, actually, if you guys are wondering. Yeah, the company that I got it from, I will try and put their description in the link below so you guys can check them out. But they've got pretty good reviews. They communicate really well, and you know, they've got various colors in terms of like whatever your interior is. If you guys have a different interior color, they would provide that color for you. But yeah, overall quality is great on here. I'm thinking we go on a test drive, talk a little bit more about the steering wheel, and just to see how it looks whenever you have this installed in your car and you're driving. So let's go ahead and fire this baby up. Just feels great. Like, it forces you to keep both hands on the steering, which is, you know, ideally what you would want whenever you're driving, just to have more control. But okay, so overall, I want to say one thing I want to point out is this steering wheel. I've noticed before I would normally drive with one hand like this, but it kind of actually forces you to use both hands, which I don't mind at all. It just feels a lot better using both hands, especially with the grip section right here where you would place your thumb. It feels pretty good, actually. Other than that, man, there's not much really to say, but just to enjoy the feel and the look of the steering wheel. All right, I'll let you guys listen to the car, less talking for now, and just kind of enjoy this drive. that includes it for this video, guys. By far, one of my favorite modifications. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.